2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM/CD, MP3 radio, cold weather package, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, security system, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.